Hey guys, today we are trolling in City Map as a Roomba, or whatever you call it. One of those electric vacuums. Just like.
I can fly.
There we go. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I am a Roomba. I am a Roomba. I'm a Roomba.
This will go down in history.
I'm a Roomba.
For centuries.
Yeah. You wanna play mini
How dare you mimic my voice? How dare you?
Ah.
How dare you mimic my voice? That's very rude.
Look, I am a Roomba.
Made me very sad.
Where do you come from?
If you dare hurt me.
You come from Ireland. You come from Ireland.
No.
You come from Ireland.
No.
I come from Ireland.
Okay.
I come from Alaska.
I come from Earth. How about you?
Yeah, I also come from.
Okay, guys. I'm a Roomba. Nah, Daisy09 is in this lobby? Nah. No way. Daisy. Bro, you playing that off of your iPod Touch.
Siri has the song because she need a break.
Yo, another Roomba.
I am Siri.
I'm happy I am not the only one. Mwah. Shimmy-shangy. Ah! This happened in the first lobby. Hey, I'm a Roomba. I clean up the place. Ah! Next.
I'm saving up for that. And then I might.
I am a Roomba. I clean up any pukes and spill.
Not the Roomba.
Ah!
For the rainbow. Look. Where are you guys? See? It looks good with this. Oh, so I don't have enough. What's
Around the world, around the world.
Do you know how to get out of this?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do, ma'am. I do know how to get out of here.
Yes, I have.
Nah, one of my controllers. Nah, I came out of Roomba form. I came out of my Roomba form. Well, let me just.
Hi, Duty.
Yeah, I'm usually.
Whew.
Come and get me if you want me to.
I'm back in my Roomba form.
Like Poobie.
But you were out of your Roomba form? Get out of your Roomba form.
They don't know that you can
To get out of. Okay, but what's that on your back? What's that on your back? Oh, it's a banjo. Other
You won't
hand,
let me grab it.
you're supposed to grab it with the other hand.
Not true.
To get this.
That's a good color. That's a good color.
Next lobby. No, I said. I'm a Roomba. I just came out of my charging station. Pew!
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Nah. No, that came out of green.
But I want this, don't you? Don't you want this stuff?
If you're Daisy, ban me. If you're a bot, ban me. No. Next lobby. Well, that was scary. And what? I'm just gonna make this all one clip. It's like, what was that?
It's in
To get me through it all, I let my guard down, and then you pull the rug. No! No, 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 no. Next Roomba tutorial. So, I'll go first, and you guys just follow what I do. So, go under sign, and put your hands like this. No, 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 not now, not now. Put your hands like this. You want to press the Oculus button, and it might not work at first. Your hands have to disappear from the screen, and when they do, you're under the ground, and you're a Roomba. That's how you become Roomba.
I don't know how I did this.
What button did he press?
The Oculus button. The Oculus button. And when your hands disappear from screen, that means they're on your stomach.
I have to look good until I get the skeleton. So I have this,
Yippee!
this.